Hello, my name is Mary Takaoka, and I will teach you how to pronounce the NT sound. There will be words like hint, pant, scent, tent. You take out the T sound, so it's only sentence, winter, mountain. Rotten, cotton, mountain, threaten, appointment, department, commitment, disappointment, adjustment, treatment, important, interview, interstate, international, wanted, I don't know, printer, enter, 20, interview, mountain, fountain, curtain, written, forgotten, important, sentence, mitten, kitten, button. He's forgotten the carton of satin mittens. She's certain that he has written it. Martin has gotten a kitten. Here are some more examples. 20, disappointing, accountable, dentist, intellectual, quantity, advantages, center, cantaloupe, plenty, Santa Monica, Atlanta, Orange County, Sacramento. We also say can't, won't, don't, didn't, doesn't, wasn't, isn't, couldn't, wouldn't, shouldn't. I can't do it. I can do it. And of course, wanna, gonna. I wanted to take advantage of the internet to find a dentist. Well, I hope today's lesson was very helpful for you. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.